A percentage lease is when you will pay a fixed base rent per month, in this case $1,000, and anything over a certain sales volume you will pay a certain percentage on. You're going to pay 3% of annual gross sales above $325,000. They have to give you what the actual sales volume was. In this particular case it was $450,000. What is the total rent? So we get the 450 minus the 325, which gives us 125,700, and is subject to that is subject to the 3% charge. So 3% of that is 3,771, plus of course we got the base rent of $1,000 a month, which is 12,000. Therefore the total yearly rent will be 15,771. A variable lease. Variable lease is where you have usually a price per square foot, and that price per square foot is based on an index. We don't care what the index is or where it comes from. Let's supposing it's the consumer price index. It may be another index. It may even be the GRM or the GIM index. But in this particular case we're basing it on an index. And in the question it says the rent is, or was rather, $12 per square foot. The old index was 1.5 and the new index is 1.8. So what we've gone is basically increased our index by 1.5 from 1.5 to 1.8. That gives us a certain percentage increase. We need to apply that percentage increase to that $12 per square foot. And how we do that is we get the old index. And what is the new rent? We get the old index and divide it into the new index. And that's going to give us 1 point something. And then we multiply it by 12, and that gives us the new rent. So new index over old index times the old rent.